Hi guys. Hi. Can you guys hear me so far? Okay. All right guys. Let's just wait for everyone to tune in. All right, I will start the session, let's say in 2 minutes times. Hi guys, welcome to the webinar. So today it's also about live trading section. If you have any pair, you can request. If not, and then I will just go through all the major and indices and go, right? EU, okay. GU, do you short in GU? I do, I did. Do you short in EU as well? Okay, let's just wait for 1 minute. Okay, I will start the session. Let me prepare this, the chart. GU say going down today? Yes, I short in GU as well. Okay guys, so let's just start our webinar today guys. Welcome everyone to the live trading section. Okay, so just before the session, as usual guys, remember that everything in this video is educational in nature. Okay, nothing should be construed as investment or trading advice. If you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence before you guys trade. Okay, it's about myself. My name is Peggy. I'm a trade analyst at Ever Frozen Group, and I myself am a prop trader as well. This is some of certificate that I have passed all the challenge. If you guys want to know about this, you just go and Google it. Okay. Now let's just look at the charts today. Okay. Okay. Let's just look at the XY first. Okay. So basically, the XY. For my view, okay, I'm at H4 time frame. So basically, they already add for resistance, and now they add for first support. Let me just remove all the title. Okay. Let me pull this. Okay, so for the XY, I think potentially they could just come down all the way to FIB somewhere here. This is a support level. Okay, I just highlight like the zone so you guys can see. Okay, so that will be 23.6 and 38.2% around this one. Okay, but if I want to zoom in to see, let's just a quick view on daily. For the daily, what you can see that I think there's on downtrend. Okay, now it's at Ichimoku cloud. If you just read the candle, you know that these are price action, and then last Friday, okay, it closed with, I just consider this as an engulfing, very engulfing candle here. So I think that will potentially we could come even falling even more. It could go up, like go down to second support. Okay, but in H4, what I can see, I think that they might do like double top from here or the M pattern. Okay, here. So let's say if they break here, they might pull back, and then you have to start to sell. Okay, for the view of DXY. Okay, so let's just look at EU. Okay, for the EU here, I short like morning. I mean my time zone. Okay, I'm based in Singapore. Just in case you guys didn't know. Okay, for EU USD price is still on bearish channel line here. If you were to look at like just EU here, quick one. EU in head 4. Okay, in head 4, what I can see over here, I think they're kind of like making something like that, either wedge, right? You would look like that, because this morning I do teach the Elliott wave as well. I think another like confirmation that I saw, because they make okay A B C D, I think E should become here. Okay, and then I see in H4, if you just zoom in, we know that this is a resistance level already, right? Around like this zone. And we do have price action, which is this candle. And actually this is the no, wait, just put this, the resistance level. Okay, this resistance level, zoom to see, right? Even though like I like to highlight the area, for me this is my resistance zone. Okay, so I still hold, okay, for the EU, because I saw this a price action in head 4. Let me just zoom in to see what's going on here. Okay, if you were to look at H1, because price came down, and I think they bounced off from this overlap support level, which is this, you consider it is support level in H1, right? Again, guys, let's say you draw support and resistance, okay, or you identify support and resistance in head 4, okay. Either if you short here, you may consider to close your TP over here, okay, but the support level for H4 is somewhere below here, okay. So price just go up. I think eventually they might, okay, not will, they might like falling to first support here, which is, and the second support should be somewhere around here. Okay, M15. Okay, what you can see in M15 here. Okay, let's just remove this, guys. Okay, M15, if you're scalping, you're a scalper, okay, you know that price at resistance level, right? If you want to wait for confirmation in M15, which is, I like to wait for confirmation in the lower time frame, which is M15, you know that price is create like M pattern or like double top here. You see price came down here, you can re-enter again, which is at the neckline, which is this candle, right? And then you hold the position. Okay, first you might think, okay, you short from here, scalping, your TP is at this overlap support, which is this level, you'll get 1 TP, and then you see the price create the M pattern or double top here. What I mean by double top, which is this one, okay, here. Okay, and then you mark that this is your neckline over here. Either when price came here and go back again, you can, you know, re-enter another sell position here, and then you hold. Okay, you hold the position until where at least first support or just slightly before the first support in head 4. Okay, now just move on. Okay, I just move. Okay, this is the first sub resistance, and second resistance is just right here. Okay, you may draw Fibonacci retracement to see if there is any level, which is we do have 38% here, 3.2% fib level, and our second resistance is line up with 61.8%. So you can just plan for your setup 61 to 38.2. Where is my here, right? This is my support resistance and this is your confirmation here. Okay, and you may execute your trade which is using the lower time frame, which is M15. Okay, for your confirmation. All right, let's just move on to GBP USD. GBP USD, okay, is at resistance level here, GBP. Okay, this is my resistance, and again I remove all this first. Okay, zoom to see here. Okay, what we can see over here, again I use Fibonacci, you will get somewhere 26.8%. okay, it's your first resistance is here. If you just move up at the body, you can get exactly somewhere here, and you may highlight the zone, which is this is the zone, right? Okay, how you're going to execute your trade, you can go to M15. What you can see is M15 here. Any confirmation, any price action here. Okay, price action to me is a M30, which is this one, right? And we do have bearish divergence over here. Right, bearish divergence versus ISI here. Here, right? You can see? There's a bearish divergence in M30. That's why you can hold. Let's say you short from this candle, right? Now the price is stop and reverse at almost here, like support level here for the M30. How many pips? From here to here, 37 pips for scalping. I think that's good enough, but price is reverse. Go M30. Okay, for the M30, M15. Okay, M15 we don't see the divergence, but we see divergence in M30. Again, let's say you don't have the short position. Okay, you may wait for price to pull a bit more, but let's say you short from here and then your TP here, or maybe price reverse over here. Usually they will reverse somewhere each here, right? Almost here. If you just let it go down, you get another entry here. Okay, but GBP, if you meet the entry, I think you just wait for the next entry, which is you may consider to buy. Okay, because to me over here price, let me just pull here. Some I think like price like at the trend line, but what you can see over here, right? Even if you don't do the wedge, what you can see here, price is make higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low here, and I think they may want to like go down or go up, or we have to see, but it's still within the wedge here. Okay, and this one I remove first. Okay, if you were to look at market structures in the bigger picture, which is daily. Okay, in daily, what you can see, price is just ranging, right? It's like, you know, price ranging. If you can see here in daily time frame, like it's just ranging between first resistance and first support. Okay, in daily time frame. Okay, in daily time frame, first resistance in H4 actually the first resistance in daily. Okay, now let's just zoom and see. I remove this one. Okay, is there a divergence here? Don't have. Let me move. We do have, just put 61.8. Okay, it's still here. Give me 5 seconds support. Okay, I think just now price came until like 2. This is okay, this is I may consider just now. Okay, when the price came down, like somewhere here, I may consider this like intermediate support over here. Okay, this one I just put first support and this one second support here. Okay, you may use EMA 100 or 200. What you can see that price came down to hit EMA 100 and bounce up here, and you want to zoom to H1. This is a support level for H1, and I think they touched the ascending trend line. If you just draw the trend line like that, that's why price is bounce up. But to me, price is falling. I think it's still falling here, but today we don't have any new. I think it's still falling. My view is come to like first support here. Okay, okay, let's say if you want to wait for the short, right, let's wait for them to break here, pull back, and then you sell somewhere here. Okay, they need to break this intermediate support. Okay, this one, let me just move. Okay, let's say if you don't have the position, or you like you did not short from here, you wait for price to break the trend line, pull back, and then you short or sell over here. Okay, all right, so far so good, guys. Got it. All right, guys, let's go to USD CHF. Again, if you trade like support and resistance, if you don't want to put any, if you don't wait for confirmation, you just put a pending order. But for me, I like to wait for confirmation, which is my favorite one in M15. So basically, I draw support and resistance based in H4, but I execute my trade in M15 or M30. If I see there is a confirmation, and then I just trade. Okay, for, let me just draw again over here, daily, what we can see in daily. Okay, in daily, very easy one. Now price is at resistance level, right? Like here, resistance level in daily. Okay, for daily, we know that we already have price action PA, which is here. Okay, so now how are we going to short from here? You go to M15. Is there already break of structures already? Okay, it's sideways in M15, sideways, still sideways here. What about M30? It's still sideways. Okay, now you may consider to just consider to short here. Okay, let's just say you put the sell entry over here, where you put stop loss just right here. Let's just say you put stop loss just above the wick. Let's you put stop loss here, because it's your resistance level, right? I might put slightly here. M15 or M30, you know that price is still like sideways. This is the sideways here. Okay, in order for them to break above first resistance, which is, this is consider daily as well, daily, day. Okay, and we already see the price action in daily time frame. Okay, let's say you put from here is how many pip? Your Excel 35 pip. Let's say you put from your entry here, no, price go up already, but if you haven't put the sell entry, it's okay. Let me look at okay, what we can see over here, because we might miss entry. If you look at H1, okay, rejection because this is a resistance day, right? You know that this is order block here, okay, bearish candle, price is go up, tap, and then come down. Maybe it might hit TP already, and some of you guys, like, you know, scalp on currency, you might get a few pip already, which is 25 pip. Good for today. Okay, but if you don't have any positions for this one, if you want to go, okay, you wait for price to pull back. Let me see M15. You put your sale order here. I mean, just now we might put here or here, right? In 15, we put here. I think this one should be 61.8% fib level in M15, right? You see here. Okay, you may consider here to put the sale entry here. Your SL just above the week, or you can just put above this week. But to me, I will just put above this week here. And my target, at least, go to H4. Okay, my target at least have to be this. Should be my first support, right? But of course, my TP, I will put slightly before this area. Okay, before this area, because what you can see here, okay, this is really big bearish candle. Okay, so we just have to wait for price. I think price should just maybe come here, collect some order, and it might go. Okay, so at least if you short, okay, price going up already. Okay, let's wait and see. You will see any rejection from here. Okay, you might miss entry, but let me see. Just wait here. Okay, it's good entry, but if you have small lot size, you may enter sin like here. Okay, this is the zone. Okay, for scalping, red one, which is, I think this one should be 50%. Right, let just me put 50% fib. Yeah, okay, around this zone 61 and 50% fib level. Okay, and you can see that in the M15, like it creates the double top here, and then this is considered neckline, but it might just come to like from here to the wick here and then go, or they could just go up to the next line and go down, because daily time frame, you know that they already have the PA over here. Okay, okay, now go up. See, okay, let's look at UJ. Okay, in UJ here, you saw that there is a bearish divergence here, right? Okay, like this candle. That's why you short here, price came down. Let me look at. Okay, I remove first. Okay, let's just identify support and resistance in Okay, I consider this first resistance in daily. I will adjust when I switch to head 4. Okay, let's consider second resistance. Go to head 4. What you can see here, okay, we do have bearish divergence here. Okay, and this is my first support. Okay, my second support is here. It's very nice overlap here. Okay, let me go to M15 to find out. Okay, we saw is a confirmation. Okay, over here, if you just want to look here, right, you know that in M15 price is from resistance level. We wait for price to break the structure, which is they already break the structure over here. Why? Because you just want to look here like price. If you just look here, like, you know, to me, you may not consider this at the you just maybe put here, higher high, higher low, right? Then they break the low here, so basically they break already. Like, if you guys follow me last week, I teach the ICT, right? They already make a market structure chip here, and then we wait for OTE, optimal trade entry, which is somewhere 61 to 78.6, right? For the OTE, optimal trade entry. What you can see here, price is come to this box, which is the one that we are waiting to sell, right? And then you will get all the way, price go up, it's still up and down. Okay, that's why you get the entry here. This is our zone. Okay, and how many pip from here and go down here? Let's just look. Okay, let's just say 78 pip, right? From here to here, that's quite a lot. Okay, and if you still see, I think they still can falling more, because in lower time frame like M15, you know that they make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? And then you can see this some like the PA here. Okay, which is this one should be around like here. Okay, okay, so we get an entry here. Now you guys wait. If you want to get the entry again, you should wait for price. You can use EMA. Okay, you just wait for price to and then pull to here, because in the lower time frame, which is M5, this is their support level in M5. Okay, here, so you need to fight, you have to wait for price to break and then pull back and then you short. Okay, if you don't have any position, you have to wait. Okay, because these are midway already. Okay, if you mid entry, you don't have any trade, you have to wait first. Okay, now price is rising. Okay, let's say price rising like this. If you want, okay, if price go back again here to our first resistance, if you see any confirmation, you can consider to short again. But then where is your SL? You just put your SL just above this wick, above this high. Okay, any questions so far, guys? Any question, any pair you can request? Okay, let's just look UCAT. Okay, let me look. Okay, for the UCAT. Okay, now price is at first support. Okay, let me see. I draw again. Okay. I may consider this at my you can all the way to the back. What we can see here. Okay, I will consider this at my first support. We can see here. Okay, so slightly this is my first support. Okay, could come down more. Okay, this is the trend line here, and we do have second. I'll just pick here, which is we do have 38.2 and 61.8%. Okay, can you guys see the level? I just put this up so you guys can see. Okay, if price come back here, you may consider if there is a confirmation in the lower time frame. Okay, confirmation in M15 or M30. Okay, if you're aggressive trader, you can put the pending order here, but I'm a conservative, I like to wait. Okay, yeah, M15 or M30. Okay, what we can see here, but okay, let's look at M15. Price still make a higher high, higher low, higher high, but over here it seems like they make a equal low here, right? If you just for the scalping, let me see. See, they make equal low here, and if they want to go up, they break. For ICT, right? If they break, it means if they want to go up, they should break this, like this high. Okay, and you pull fib ball 61 to, okay, around this is a zone for you to buy here. Yeah, okay, this is zone. So if you buy now, you may consider to buy here. Just have to make sure that your stop loss just have to be above this equal low here. Okay, because let's say hit your stop loss, you can just re-enter again, which is here. Okay, but if your lot size really small, and then you can wait for price to come here, you can hold, will be 14 loss. But to me, let me see, let me even go to M. Okay, yeah, you may consider to enter already. Okay, what I see here, you may consider here to enter long position, because in M15 or M5, sorry, I saw there is a bullish divergence here. Okay, versus side. I may concentrate since like when price like come back here, because this zone is our OTE, right? This is OTE, optimal trade entry. Remember, I teach you guys how to trade with ICT. Okay, you may consider if scalping, and then your SL just have to put below this wick. You want to get sharp entry, you can just put here. Okay, if hits your SL and then it's okay, you just wait for recover, or just wait for another zone, which is here. But for scalping, right, usually you see any form of confirmation, you might long from here already. Okay, what you can see here, the market structure sheet, right? We will see here. Okay, okay. Here, but here is the zone. But if for scalping, if you're there to trade, take risk is here. Okay, if not, you wait for here, which is first support, then wait for confirmation. Okay, go. How do you calculate your SL? Okay, for example, if I get the entry at my, let's say M15, let's say here, okay, my SL is I just put above this week. Okay, just put above this week. Okay, here. Sometimes I use a EA to help me calculate the risk reward, which is using the like currency. Either you can use the EA to help you to calculate risk and reward by using like maybe percentage or currency, but I like to use a currency. For example, like if this trade, for example, if you planning to like buy from here, there's a EA for you. Let's say if you want to trade, which is let's just say 1k here, right? They will, let's say if you invest 1000 USD dollar here, usually the EA, they will help you to calculate like how many lot size that you can put if you want to put your stop lot here, and then your entry here, and then your TP here. Yeah, it's helped my liability easy. Okay, I don't even calculate how many lot size or how much lot size that I want to trade. Okay, I just ask the EA to help me. I just say that, okay, this trade I willing to lose 1000 or 5000. Is there a certain amount of the pip above? No. Okay, there is no amount of the pip when I put SL. Okay, because sometimes, for example, if you follow other people's signal, right, they will ask you to like, okay, you can, this is your let's say buy zone, for example, buy zone here. Okay, for example, I just put here, let's say I put my buy entry here. Okay, and then let's say you put your buy entry like over here. Okay, this is your buy entry, and this is my buy entry, and I told you that I put my SL, let's just say 500, let's say that 50 pip, for example. Okay, so my SL from here, go down here, my SL is here, for example. Okay, my SL stop loss here. But then where your SL, because your entry buy entry is here, definitely your SL 5 or 50 pip will be above me. So when price came, you hit your SL and then go boom, which is ice not even hit my like stop loss. Because if you follow other people's signal and you tell them, okay, you just put your stop loss like 50 pip from your entry, or maybe 50 pip from the amount they give you, but then you know when you execute your trade it's totally different, right? So you have to know that where is the first resistance or first support, and then you just have to put below the wick. Cannot put just a wick, it might just get stop hunting, or you can put slightly below, or you know that this your wick here. What about the left one? Another wick here, you just put slightly below. Okay, somewhere here. What's the EA? Actually it's like trade assistant. You can, if you use MT4 MT5, you can get it on the website. I think on the, you just go and Google it. Yeah, it will help your life easy. If you like to scalping, they also have like EA called like close or. So you don't need to close like one by one, right? You just use that one EA. There's a button for you to like close or. But nowadays, empty file in the phone also have a close all position. But if you have the EA for you to help you on you just Google, okay, you'll find it. Okay, let's look at Go. Okay, now Go. Okay, now for Go to me, it's at my, this is my support level already, and like if you scalping, you get an entry here like today, because I draw like since morning here, how many pip it go up to go here, 70 pip, is 70 pip, 20, 26, 20, 29, yeah, 70 pip already. Okay, but let's just look for the lower time frame what we can see here. Okay, M15 price is cannot go below, this is got stop loss. Okay, now what you can see, you get stop loss here, right? For example, if you let's say buy, for example, you buy or you long from here, and then you just put your stop loss just slightly below here, you get stop out here. Okay, for gold, usually your stop loss just put at least 500 pip, 50 pip, okay, or maybe 100 pip for gold. What we can see in the M, okay, the confirmation I think in M for gold, which is this candle. Okay, and now price is ranging here, and this box is support level in H4, so you can hold your buy position, because what you can see in the bigger pictures, let me look at the bigger picture first. So let me look at daily. Okay, what you can see here in daily, I think price is still on uptrend, right? You can see here, let's just say month. Okay, you to look at the monthly time frame, where is their support level, you just look here, this is like their support level here, maybe I slightly chip down to the like to this body, right? And then what you can see here, price go up, they have the open here, the highest price is go like here, and after they came down to the lower price, and then after that close here, close at 2065. So now this is the support level. You may like go for multi, which is okay, I just mark at month, support month, right? Okay, now we go to week, we just want to look at the weekly, or the weekly. Okay, for the weekly, you need to adjust where your support level. Weekly is here, right? It's here. Now week. What about daily? Okay, for daily now I have to delete this, my daily different. Okay, for my daily I still consider this is my first support. Let me just, this is we may consider this. Okay, support, it's on downtrend, it seems like go on downtrend. Okay, let's just look at 4. What you can see in head 4. Okay, in head 4 last Friday we will short from here. Why? Here is a price action. Okay, and if you know how to identify support and resistance, you know that this is your resistance, which is this one to be second resistance, right? If you go to the Let me find for you. If you guys want to find follow up like how to identify support and resistance, you can go to IC market blog, which is not last Friday. Any last Friday I did not send. That would be anyway. And here, oh, which is, let's say here, right? And you know that price go all the way down. How you get like this one? You need to draw a Fibo here to here. Okay, you know that this is your 61.8%. Okay, what you can see here. Okay, last Friday. Okay, and then this is your confirmation, right? Even though you go to M15, you won't get the confirmation is okay when price is go up to the level, which is this is our let me see, you may okay like this one to make it stop out, which is I think they go and get like this order block here, like here, right? But let's say if you meet this entry, you will get another entry which is confirmation here, that price will going down, this one. I'm trying to find a confirmation. Okay, what is your confirmation here? Let's say M15. If you don't see market structure very clear, you can look at M30. Okay, M30, you know that this is like your confirmation is here, right? M50, so you can just put the sale order at this one, okay, like this one, and then you hold. After that, you can see price all the way down, down. At least if you don't know where your TP is, at least your TP is here. Okay, I stop here first. Okay, when you put your TP here at support level, when the price come, reverse up a bit, and then after that they break, they pull, and then you sell again. Right here. But at least you already scale some your profit here, your TP1. Or you can do like tailing stop loss all the way from here. And then if you just put your tailing stop loss, it might just trigger and then you exit the position, right? Okay, now let we identify okay, H4, zoom. Okay, train your eyes, which is this is your first resistance, right? Oh, sorry, what resistance? Okay, where is your second resistance? Is here. Okay, where is your support? I consider this my first support. Okay, I think I consider this first support, and this is my intermediate support. What does mean by intermediate support? Which is I will see if price is all the way down here, there is anything for me to long from here, but I think it's about 78.6% fib level. Okay, here you see exact, right? So we'll see. M15. Okay, just wait there, guys. I just want to see Okay, to me, I still buy as sell. Okay, for gold in daily time frame, because like over here, to me, I think they make it like equal high, right? Like over here, they make an equal high. Like here, let's just say here. Don't bother about this week, okay? It's all we can stop out. Like they just say make an equal high somewhere here. And if you look at the like, just say I mean they still make a higher lower low, lower high. It may come up here and then it may come down here and go like that. Okay, so I still buy at sale, okay, for gold. It's just that in order for them to break, they need to break the first resistance. They might break, make a new high, at least have to break this high here. Okay, and then it might go like that, right? For daily, for H4, even in H4, what you can see here, they still make a higher high here, higher high. Right, they make a lower low, lower high, and even though this one I still consider is not that high, because this resistance is the high is here. This is not the high. The previous high is here, not this one. And there's a mega high, got price action here, and in order for them to break, like I say, they need to break this high. Okay, resistance, key resistance here, we pull back, and then you're going to sell. So let's say price go here like that, they hit the upper top, you may consider to short from this resistance again if you see any confirmation in the lower time frame. Okay, because now price is reversed already, I think they might create like that, we don't know. Okay, you just mark first, but okay, let me see if they do like that and then you see any confirmation in, let's say, M15, M30 confirmation, that would be price action or divergence, right? Or any weak, any rejection when price reach this first resistance, and then you may consider to short. Even those now we wait to buy over here and then price reverse already, that is okay. Okay, but if you zoom into H4, you might get the entry here. Okay, for gold, right, it doesn't matter you want to draw support and resistance based on the wick or the candle. You just have to look for price to intersect each other, right? And then this one you may consider, you may like draw from the body, and then you know that this is your Fibonacci level with 61, and then you know that price came, touch the box, and then reverse. Okay, in H1. Let's see if they're going to create like that or not. But today we don't have any news or major news, so I think they not have many movement today. The last one, GJ. Okay, GJ again, guys. I still short GJ because I look at daily time frame. Okay, before I end the webinars, I look at daily time frame, and then I saw like this is a price action for me. Okay, and then I highlight like this is my zone, which is okay, the resistance zone, the body to the wick, and then I put the red one here. Okay, but I don't know how far or how like far they can come, but this there may consider this is first support. Let's just go to head 4. We can see head 4 here, right? Okay, in head 4, very big bearish candle, and then price go up, and then I think we might come up again. Actually there is a divergence happen already, right here, bearish divergence here versus ISI here. But if you miss the entry, I still hold since like my afternoon. I still hold the position because if we were to look here, okay, you look M15, what your confirmation? If we were to identify this as my like previous low here. Okay, I make it the entry from pull the support people. Okay, you can see that our OTE, right? Yeah, this is the zone, and then you come how many times? One time, came down, go back again, and then come back again. And then like M15, like they cannot make the high. Okay, they cannot make an equal high. Basically, I like to look for the chart pattern. I think like, okay, if price could come like that, but they make a lower high here. So I still hold my position because this is the high, which is price action in daily time frame, right? And then, you know, they cannot make a higher high. So basically, I still hold my sell position for the JPY. Yeah. Yep, EA. Usually I just call EA. Yeah, expert advisors. Yes. Okay, guys. Any questions? If not, I will see you guys again. Let me check my schedule. I think tomorrow we have the webinars, right? Do we have a webinars? Oh, yeah. Tomorrow we do have a webinars. Let me just have a quick look on. If you want to learn those technique, you can go to let's see, market webinar. I think tomorrow it's gonna be my colleague. That will be Ketan, if I'm not wrong. Let me just have a quick look. Yeah, okay. So tomorrow, if you want to join, okay, you just go and register. Okay, that will be multi-time frame analysis, right? Maybe my colleague Ketan, or you can just register here. There's so many webinars, guys. You can just go to IC Market webinars, and then you will see all the webinar come up here. And then every Monday, they're gonna be live trading section. You're gonna see me and my team. Okay, guys. Any questions so far before I end the webinars? Okay, if you gotta have any question, I will see you guys again next webinar. Alright, guys. Happy trading, guys. Take care. As you can see now, GJ is coming down. I still hold a short position. Okay. What have a just go and look at GU. Okay, GU is still ranging, but I think should come down more. But now my position, I just have a GJ, so I just look at GJ. Okay, if GJ is coming down, I'm happy. Okay, guys, see you again next webinar. Take care. Bye.